And tonight, the search for survivors continues here, and the death toll, we've been told, now continues to rise. We just got another update, and authorities now say at least 104 people have died from these catastrophic floods in central Texas. Many of them were little girls spending the summer at Camp Mystic, a Christian camp here along the Guadalupe River. Tonight, 10 other children and a camp counselor are still among the dozens of people missing in Kerr County. Again, I'm Chris Lawrence reporting live in Kerrville, right along the Guadalupe River. And as we widen out here, we'll give you a better sense of exactly how high this river was flowing at the time. You can see some of the sides of some of those trees that were snapped down in the water, and it gives you an idea of how high it's running right now. We know that search teams are still out there. We have seen them all day. They are not giving up, and there is still a desperate search underway for any possible survivors.